Welcome to Unseen Aircrafts, a thrilling realm where you can witness unusual aviation occurrences. In today's video, we unveil a collection of exclusive events showcasing the unseen wonders that defy the boundaries of the sky. Take a look at the spectacular flight formation between the A380 and the Dubai Jetman. On November 5th, 2015, the Emirates 380 and Jetman Dubai tandem took to the skies of Dubai for an amazing formation flight that demonstrated how far aviation has progressed. The formations flew over the Palm Jumeirah and the Dubai skyline, with Burj Khalifa in the background. The world's largest passenger aircraft flew in two holding patterns at 4,000 feet in the expertly coordinated aerial display. The A380 was subsequently joined by the Jetman Dubai couple, the expert pilots and operators of the smallest jet-powered wing, who were deployed from a helicopter hovering at 5,500 feet above the plane. The duo conducted formations on both sides of the aircraft and joined to one side thereafter, before breaking away. When colossal planes attempt to squeeze into close proximity during parking, the consequences can be quite extraordinary, and this is what happens. In the vast expanse of Alaska, it is entirely unheard of to witness planes taking off from highways. However, one particular pilot found himself facing an extraordinary situation as he prepared to launch his ultralight aircraft amidst bustling traffic. The scene that unfolded was nothing short of extraordinary, as onlookers watched in disbelief. With vehicles whizzing by, the pilot exhibited nerves of steel and a remarkable skill set as he carefully maneuvered his aircraft onto the road, awaiting the opportune moment. The sight of a tiny flying machine amidst the chaos of cars and trucks was both surreal and captivating. Witnessing the power of thrust reversers in action is nothing short of awe-inspiring, particularly when it comes to bringing a massive aircraft to a rapid halt on a short runway. The sheer force and agility demonstrated in this high-stakes maneuver are truly remarkable. As the aircraft touches down, its engines roar with authority as the thrust reversers engage, redirecting the exhaust flow forward. This ingenious mechanism creates a powerful opposing force that counteracts the aircraft's forward momentum, allowing it to decelerate at an astonishing rate. The combination of immense braking power and carefully timed deployment of the thrust reversers enables pilots to maximize the available runway length, defying the limitations imposed by space.